Hello beautiful people, I'm going to show you how to prepare banana leaves for your okpa, for your moi moi, for your wegede and so on. This pack of banana leaves, I got it from a local South American shop. So maybe in your area, if you live abroad, you can check any South American shop, they do sell it there. I prefer to wash it in a pan. That way I can be able to wash it thoroughly. You can also use a clean kitchen towel, wet it and then use it to clean the leaves. But myself, I do wash it first, then I clean it with kitchen paper. You almost have to handle the leaves gently because they are very tender, and if you might handle it, if you don't handle it gently, it will break and then you will lose a good part of it. Now I'm going to cut the leaf in sizes, the sizes that I want to use. Note that these sizes that I'm cutting out now, you can just decide to use just one sheet, just one part of what you have cut out, but I am going to double it because I have more than enough and I don't want to save it again. When you buy the leaves, they are frozen, so you have to leave it to unfroze, to defrost. And when you defrost it, it is better, it is advisable to use all of them and don't put it back into the freezer to freeze again. So now I'm going to fold one side of the leaf. You bend the side like 3 times and then bring the down part of the other side together, just like I am doing right now. Then use a tiny rope or strip to tie to secure it down there, and then you have prepared your banana leaf ready for anything you want to use it for, whether you want to use it to cook moi moi or okpa or wegede. It is very easy to use. Just make sure you do not manhandle it because it is very tender. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.